Good afternoon everybody in YouTube land. I hope yous are all doing well. Okay, my last part arrived today, so I've just been getting the cabinet ready and having it all sorted out for the electrician when he comes. So we had to buy a brand new box, all brand spanking new in there. Look in there. It's got a earth neutral link at the back and a positive bus bar that come with one of these and a few spare inserts, and it come with all the stickies, red and green. I printed out a wiring diagram for him over here. We're going to put a main switch in this board and this changeover switch, okay, or automatic transfer switch. That's the same one that's in that picture there. Alright, but as you can see, there's no way in the world I mean, if it was in this box alone it would fit. So we had to buy a new box. This is an 18 pole box, and it will fit everything. That's quite a good brand. Australek switching gear. Yeah, so that's it, people. I'm like the rest of yous when it comes to 240 volt AC wiring in Australia, even though I'm quite capable of doing it myself. The regulations dictate that I need to have an electrician, so that's exactly what I'm doing because I love keeping my house insured. So the next video will be when the electrician's here and he's got it all done and we can test it all out, and then I'll be able to show the guy at the post office exactly how these ATS work, or automatic transfer switches work, in relation to how his system will work down at the chemist if he decides to go that way. It is a pretty pricey way to go, but you know, and even then if the power's out longer than 3 days, he's still going to have to muck around with a generator. So yeah, I mean, well, just with a 10 kilowatt hour battery, that is, and no solar. He's got no solar on the shop, so either he's going to have to provide some sort of power for the system to recharge itself, which of course is very similar to the system that's in this cupboard in respect to what his requirements are, except he needs a 3-phase 5 kilowatt inverter, and he still needs a 10 kilowatt battery, and because he hasn't got solar, he will need to come up with another way to charge it. Yeah. The joys of modern day power companies. You just can't depend on them anymore. Everything's getting old and wearing out, and the government, instead of putting money aside to fix it all, have spent it all in their budget, you know. Somebody's got to pay for all these overseas holidays and Christmas parties and everything else they have. Alright everyone, so that's it. Next video will be when the electrician's here. This is a really nice looking box, by the way. Really nice looking. Really nice. Really nice. Not the cheapest, but the reason I picked this one was because it's big all the way through, whereas these little cheap ones, they get really narrow, and sometimes it's a bit of a problem fitting all the wires in them. Okay, that's it. Glorious, glorious day today. We were full before lunch. Absolutely brilliant. I tell you, both Siggy and I are really loving this lithium off-grid system. It's just over a year old now, people. It's just brilliant. 100% brilliant since we put this new system in. But we did decide to wait until the technology of lithium batteries had been tested and sorted out, because a lot of the people that jumped in first got terribly stung with those battery systems that use those little flashlight batteries, 18650s or 26, whatever they are. Yeah, I mean, when you look at how many of those little batteries are in a system, it's only a matter of time before something fails. Anyway, keep safe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.